Want an easy way to help Mother Earth? Did you know it's International Compost Awareness Week? Regardless, it should be Mother's Earth Day every day. Okay, imagine reducing landfill waste and creating nutrient-rich dirt for your plants, all at a touch of a button.
Potatoes.
Small changes from all of us can make a huge difference. It's the perfect time to think about how we can better manage our food waste. The Lomi kitchen countertop food recycler offers a convenient and effective way to compost at home. By using Lomi, you can significantly reduce your household food waste going into landfills, literally, minimizing the greenhouse gas emissions and even create a valuable soil amendments for your garden. Let's all do our part for a healthier planet for all mothers by helping Mother Earth. Join the composting revolution and get $50 off your first Lomi to help Mother Earth with our unique link. Check out Lomi today.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.